Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day, or the day after the very exciting day. I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I did catch a clip of that, so that'll probably be before this or after, I don't know. But yesterday was January 17th and I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It was honestly so unreal, so unexpected, because basically I hit 900 like the 14th, so in just 3 days I hit 1,000, and it was so unreal. I was literally, it was like late, I don't even know what time. Let me check what time I recorded that video of it hitting. Yesterday at like 8 o'clock. I was really like in my pajamas, like literally I looked crazy because I was just getting ready, you know, for bed. I had showered already, everything was like blah blah blah, and I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to like film this video like celebrating it. My brother just went out to get me a cake because we had like a deal basically when I first started YouTube, like when I hit like a big milestone of like 1,000, that he was gonna get me a cake. So he's going right now to get me a cake, and it may seem like such a small number, just 1,000 subscribers, but to me, every 100 that I would hit, I would document the day I hit it, because it just meant so much to me. Like I was 100 closer to a goal that I had of mine. And actually I basically hit my goal. If you guys remember, a while ago I think I made like a video of me like saying like, oh, my goal would be to hit 1,000 by New Year's. But honestly, a week after New Year's or 2 weeks after New Year's, and this is still pretty cool, I didn't think I was going to actually hit my goal, and I actually did. Now that I think about it, I just thought about it now. I said January or by New Year's, and it is January 17th when I hit it, so that's really cool. But I documented every 100 that I hit and the date that I hit it, so I'll show you guys a compilation of that afterwards. But it just means so much to me, and I feel like there's so many people out there who have millions of subscribers or thousands of subscribers more than me. But for me, this is a big milestone because it's all part of the growing process. It's all part of the learning process. Every new video that I make, I learn something new. Every time I'm editing, I learn something new, and I do research and I watch other people to, you know, see what they're doing, and just kind of like getting a whole like picture of like how it is from other people's perspectives, what they like versus what I like to do in my editings. Like every day is a new learning experience for me, and I like to, you know, learn new things and put that out there for you guys and show you guys cool things, and just vlog my days or do sit down talks with you guys. And I don't know, it's just like, it means so much to me. Even though it's a small number to some, it really means a lot to me because I'm still learning, and the fact that I hit 1,000, which I never thought I could even get there, means even more to me, because in the beginning, like, I doubted myself that I would even get this far. And it just goes to show that no matter what, you can reach your goal. You can, you know, reach your dream and accomplish what you want to if you, number one, believe in yourself, work hard towards it, and, you know, don't settle for anything less. You know, don't care what other people think, just do what you want. And if you really want to get it done, you will have the motivation to go after it. And if you believe in yourself, that's all you need. You just need to put yourself out there, keep working hard, keep being consistent, and you will eventually reach your goals. You know, it takes time, things takes time, but this taught me that I can reach my goals if I work hard. And, you know, I have other dreams now. Like, I want to hit 5,000. I don't know, like, I'm doing this right now off the top of my head. So right now I'm at 1,000. Maybe I hit 5,000 by my birthday, which is in May, you know? So I think that's achievable. That will be insane. And who knows what the future holds? Who knows what a couple months from now can hold? A year. I basically started my YouTube in May, so June, July, August. Like in 8 months I hit 1,000, but you know, in the beginning it was slow. It was a learning process. It was me learning, but now that I'm more consistent, I'm hoping that I can just grow and continue to inspire you guys. And I just wanted to say thank you for all of you who support me, because none of this would have been possible without you guys. You guys are literally like my little best friends, and I just want to inspire you guys. I love reading your guys' comments, and it really does mean a lot when you know, give me some feedback, say you love my videos, say I'm inspiring you. Like, that's what keeps me going. And of course, everybody goes through times where they're like unmotivated or they're feeling a little down, and I was in that little funk. But for the new year, I'm back. I'm going to work hard because this is something that I love doing, and I want to continue doing it for you guys. So I just want to say thank you guys so much, and I love you guys all so much. So I just want to continue to inspire you guys and continue to make videos for you guys, and to continue to grow. And I hope you guys, you know, share this, subscribe if you haven't already, tell your friends, tell your families to subscribe to me and join this little journey. And yeah, I'm gonna continue this into like a normal video when the cake is here and everything like that, but I really just wanted to sit down and really share my thoughts and feelings and a little new goal that I have, which I said it was hitting 5,000 by my birthday, which is in May. So let's get there, guys. And if you're sitting behind the screen and you have a channel of your own or want to create a channel, go after it. Go after your dreams or your goals, because you can achieve them if you set your mind to it. So I'm gonna stop talking now, but I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers, and let's get some more. Alright guys, my brother just got back with the cake, and there's a little malfunction, but it's fine because it said like happy birthday and they couldn't write on it, blah blah blah. Anyways, we tried to fix it, but it's cute. What kind of flavor is it? It's chocolate. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit of cake now, and hopefully it tastes good. It's like an ice cream chocolate cake from Baskin Robbins. Why would you put this on the table? It literally had like a happy birthday thing, but it's okay. It's the thought that counts. And yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Hopefully it's really, really good. We're cutting it now. Alright guys, I just finished having my cake. It was really, really good. It was like a chocolate cake with like a cookies and cream ice cream cake and like whipped cream and everything like that. It was good. I'm not really like a cake lover, but it was good. It was thoughtful. And yeah, I'm gonna end off this little short type of video. I really wanted to make this video to celebrate me hitting 1,000 subscribers, and also thank you guys and motivate you guys if you guys have any goals, like I said before, to go after them. And I'm so excited to see what the future holds for me and for this channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, love you guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me always.